Hey guys, Julia here from Urban Root. I'm gonna show you something fun today. These are our dusting powders. We just came out with these. We have 2 fragrances at the moment. We might have more later. Attar of Roses, which is rose and sandalwood. Eau de Provence, which is lavender, jasmine, and bergamot. This one's a little bit more soothing. This one a little bit more sensual, I would say. A little background about dusting powders or body powders. These were around, they've been around for a really long time. Most of the major fragrance brands used to make their own dusting powder, and they came in these beautiful decorative tins with a poof, and you just, you know, very vintage, like amazing. They were really great. But they did have one problem in that they all had talc in them. T-A-L-C. Talc is really bad for you. It's linked to all kinds of health problems. So I wouldn't recommend using dusting powders with talc on them. Some of the major fragrance brands still make the same product with talc in it. Don't do that. Don't use it. It's not good for you. Ours are in a base of arrowroot powder, which is a plant-based powder. Makes your skin really silky and soft. There's also kaolin clay in it to absorb odor and sweat and excess moisture. And then of course the fragrance itself is kind of infused in the powder there. I'm gonna show you quickly how to use these. I'm gonna use a little Attar of Roses here. So you just wanna twist the top so that the holes are opened up there. And hopefully you can see this. You can see a little powder there. See it? So what I like to do is I like to layer it on when I get out of the shower. I put a body oil on, bath and body oil, and then kind of douse myself in that, and then I'll do the dusting powder as another layer. So I'm layering my scents, makes the scent last longer, and the dusting powder kind of locks in the fragrance. And the main purpose of it is to absorb extra sweat and odor. And then of course it gives you its own odor. So actually I'm just gonna put a little on my arm so you could see. It just kind of rubs in like that. I like to put it right here, where I sweat, under here, here, you know, just everywhere. It's actually much easier to do in the nude and you're not getting it all over your clothes, but I'm not gonna do that on camera for you guys, sorry. So that's it. A lot of people like to sprinkle it in their shoes if you have shoes that are kind of smelly. And they're really nice if you sprinkle some in the sheets, because they kind of make your sheets really fresh, and then when you lay on the sheets, then your skin gets really soft and fragrant as well. So really luxurious, fun product, fun way to layer your scent, fun way to keep odors at bay around your house and, you know, in your life. So check it out. You can buy them on urbanroot.com or Amazon. And thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.